Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now, today's topic is present continuous tense. In the last video, we learned about present indefinite tense, what is tenses, how many parts of tenses are there, and the sub parts of those tenses. We have learned tenses are the sentences which tells us about the time, which is present, past, or future. These are three type of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. These three tenses have four subparts of each tense, which are indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. We learnt about present indefinite tense, the action which is habitually performed or regularly done, that is of present indefinite टेंस. जिस वाक्य के अंत में ता है, ते है, ती है आता है, वह सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट टेंस का होता है. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विल बी यूज्ड विद एस और ई एस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स फॉर डू एंड डज. So the next part of the present tense is present continuous tense. So start learning with me. Action that is currently going on in present. Present continuous tense basically deals with those actions that are currently going on at the present time. जो काम present में अभी हो रहा है, चल रहा है जो काम, उस काम के बारे में जो बात होगी वो होती है present continuous tense के अंडर. Also known as present progressive tense. Another name for present continuous tense is present progressive tense, and it is also the present imperfect form of tense, or we can say the imperfect form of present tense. Here we will use first form of verb, same as we used in the present indefinite tense, but in present indefinite tense we used s or es with the first form of verb. Here we will use ing with the first form of verb. Now we have helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? Helping verbs are those verbs which get add with the verbs and tells us about which time and basically gets the correct sense of the sentence. So we have three types of helping verb of present continuous tense, that are is, am, and are. These are the three helping verbs of present continuous tense. Is used with any singular subject. जहाँ पर भी सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होगा या एक वचन में होगा, मतलब सिंगल आदमी कोई काम कर रहा है, वहाँ पर इज लगेगा. सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, देन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, और द सब्जेक्ट इफ इज ही, शी, इट और एनी नेम, देन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी इज. am is used only with I. जहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट आई होगा वहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ am लगेगा और कुछ नहीं लगेगा. I is used only with am and am is used only with I. are is used with any plural subject. जहाँ पर भी सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा, एक से ज़्यादा सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, तो वहाँ पर लगेगी हेल्पिंग वर्ब are. या फिर हमारे पास अगर सब्जेक्ट होगा we, you, they, then the helping verb will be are. Now we'll learn how to form the sentences or how to verify that the sentence is of present continuous tense. First is simple sentences. We already know that there are four types of sentences: simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative negative sentences. We'll learn one by one. First of all, we'll see simple sentences. The basic formula for forming simple sentences of present continuous tense is subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb with ing plus object and then full stop. Subject is the doer who is doing the work. Helping verb is used according to the subject. Here helping verb used will be is, am or are according to the subject. Verbs are, what are verbs? Verbs are those words which tells us about the action, or we can say these are the action words. So first form of verb will be used with ing and object is the rest piece of sentence. First example is Raghuvan is studying. Raghuvan पढ़ रहा है. The work is currently going on in the present. So this is of present continuous tense, और हिंदी में वाक्य के अंत में लग रहा है रहा है, तो वो आ गया present continuous tense का sentence. So here subject is the name, And if name is the subject, helping verb used will be is. Study is the first form of verb, will add ing with that and then full stop. Here the subject is any name, thus the helping verb is. Next example is I am teaching. मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. Okay, so the work is going on at the present moment. So this is of present continuous tense. Here the subject used is I. Thus the helping verb will be am. Another example is they are playing. वो खेल रहे हैं. They mentioned here reflects plural subject. Okay, they include many children. Many children are playing. Okay, so they will be plural subject. So the helping verb will be are. Here the subject is plural, so the helping verb will be are. Another is negative sentences. The negative sentences basically tells us about the negative aspect of any sentence. The formula for negative sentences will be subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form of verb with ing plus object and then full stop. Example, Raghuvan is not studying. Raghuvan पढ़ नहीं रहा है. नहीं. Nahi means negative aspect. So this is of negative sentence. It declares the negative concept, that is the work mentioned is not being done. Another example is I am not teaching. मैं पढ़ा नहीं रही हूँ. So the helping verb used will be according to the subject mentioned. Subject is I, and as we all know that I is used only with am and am is used only with I. Another example is they are not playing. वो खेल नहीं रहे हैं. So here the helping verb will be are because the subject was plural. Another next sentences are of interrogative. Interrogative means question forming sentences or question based sentences in which questions are being asked. Question forming sentences. Helping verb will be shifted to the first position to frame the question. Till now we learned that helping verb comes after subject. Subject के बाद आ रही है helping verb. ठीक है, बट इंटेरोगेटिव में क्या हो रहा है कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो उठकर सब्जेक्ट के आगे लगेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव द बेसिक फॉर्मूला हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब किसके हिसाब से लगेगी? सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से लगेगी. एग्जाम्पल इज रघुवन स्टडिंग. क्या रघुवन पढ़ रहा है? इस जो है वो सब्जेक्ट के आगे आ गया है तो वहाँ पर क्या फॉर्म हो गया? क्वेश्चन फॉर्म हो गया. वहीं अगर इस सब्जेक्ट के पीछे था तो वो सिंपल सेंटेंस बन रहा था, इसके बाद नॉट लग रहा था तो वो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बन रहा था. अब इस जो है सब्जेक्ट से पहले आ गया है, बाकी सब चीज़ सेम है, तो दिस विल फॉर्म द क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज ऑफ इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड दैट इफ द बॉय हियर इज स्टडीइंग और नॉट. Another example is am I teaching? क्या मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ? Here the question is asked to oneself. मैं खुद से ही question put कर रही हूँ, क्या मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ? Right? Another example is are they playing? क्या वो खेल रहे हैं? Question that has been framed by shifting position of helping verb. Helping verb को जो है subject से पहले लगा दिया गया है तो यहाँ पर क्या form हो गए? Questions. So the next sentences are of interrogative negative sentences. Negative questions are being framed. Interrogative sentences में क्या हो रहा था? हमने simple questions form करे थे, right? Helping verb को आगे लगा कर. But interrogative negative sentences जो है वो interrogative sentences और negative sentences का mixture है. Okay? दोनों को मिलाकर बनाए गए हैं. तो यहाँ पर negative questions पूछे जाएंगे. Questions are being asked in negative aspect. Combination of both interrogative and negative sentences. So the basic formula for these sentences are helping verb plus subject plus not plus first form of verb with ing plus subject and then question mark. For example, is Raghuvan not studying? क्या रघुवन पढ़ नहीं रहा है? Another is am I not teaching? क्या मैं पढ़ा नहीं रही हूँ? Helping verb has been shifted टू द फर्स्ट पोजीशन, राइट। सब्जेक्ट से पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब लग गई तो वहाँ पर बन गया इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस। बट सब्जेक्ट के बाद अगर हमने नॉट भी लगा दिया तो वो हो गया इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस। यहाँ क्वेश्चंस तो पूछे जा रहे हैं बट वो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट में पूछे जा रहे हैं। पहले ही पूछा जा रहा है कि क्या रघुवन पढ़ नहीं रहा, क्या मैं पढ़ा नहीं रही। ओके, सो बेसिकली हम इनको डील भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब कनेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं अपनी डेली लाइफ से, कि जब कभी ताने मारते हैं क्या मैं दिख नहीं रही, क्या मैं पढ़ नहीं रही, क्या मैं बोल नहीं रही। सो दीज आर ऑल बेसिकली ऑफ इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस। अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज आर दे नॉट प्लेइंग, क्या वो खेल नहीं रहे। क्वेश्चंस पूछा जा रहे हैं बट नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट के अंडर। So here we are completing this video. We have covered present indefinite tense, present continuous tense. Next video will be covering present perfect tense. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.